thunderstorm warning for western Spencer County, Indiana, Warren County, Indiana, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60